Hey guys, this is Backyard PV and I'm doing a video on how to completely disassemble the Invert Mini. First, you can start by taking out your bolt, which is done by taking out this screw right here under your velocity adjustment, to change your FPS, and then you can put your finger right in your breech and push out your bolt. Okay, that's how you do that. And then you have two screws right here inside your trigger frame where your board and all of that is and your battery goes. Right on the inside of your trigger frame you got two little tiny screws, which you just loosen those up enough, and you don't have to completely take them out, just loosen them, and your grip or not your grip, but where your board and all is, that'll just slide right off. And then you can take off your grips if you want, but that's not exactly needed. And then there's one more screw right here in your trigger frame where your trigger is to take off the trigger frame. You just take out that screw and your trigger frame will come off. And then you just unscrew your solenoid, and then this other one you just undo the clip and then twist it off just like you did with your solenoid. And now to get to where your eyes are, you just unscrew all of these screws. I think there's 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if I count right. No, 7? Yeah, there's 7. You just unscrew those 7 screws and this will come off where your board for your eyes are.
We'll fast forward.
Alright, now that you got the 7 screws off, this plate will just lift right up, and you can do any cleaning on like any paint that has been where your gun has been shot and maybe in here. And that's pretty much it. You can go into your grips and clean them up if you need to. You can take out your detent screws, clean that. You can run a squeegee right through there and just clean up your detents. You can just take them out, and then with the trigger frame you can just take off your grips.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna say something. Right here on the trigger frame, a lot of paint will get in here. If you get shot anywhere in this little area above your grip and around your trigger, a lot of paint will seep up in here, so I'd make sure you keep that clean.
Something went wrong. Try to connect. Whatever. Hit connect.
You hit it. Of course I haven't seen it.